Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Welcome to my channel Sparkling Beauty Bee. I hope you're all doing fabulous and ready for this video today. As you can see, I have drawn a cute little heart here. I'm really loving making this kind of heart lately, especially this month of October when Halloween is coming, and I don't know, I am loving doing makeup a little bit different. So yeah, let me know if you love my animal print shirt and also this cute little heart right here. Anyways, I bought this shirt from Pink Blush. This video is not sponsored, but I have worked with Pink Blush, Shop Pink Blush before. I have worked with them. I have done several collaborations. This brand is just wonderful. I love wearing this animal print shirt, which is quite warm and just perfect for autumn and winter season. I love the print, I love the quality. Do check their website. They have amazing, beautiful clothing item for maternity and also for everybody. So just go ahead and check their link. I'll put the link down below. So let's not waste any more time and just start today's video, and let's talk about the cutest little key pouch today that I'm going to share with you. Okay, so today I'm going to share my thoughts and reviews about this cute little LV key pouch right here, which is one of my absolute favorite. So this is my cute little key pouch from Louis Vuitton, and this is called Bicolour Monogram Empreinte leather. You can see there are two different colors here, so it's called Bicolour and obviously Monogram Empreinte leather. So this key pouch is all leather, and this is their newer version. Before we used to see their demi-ribbon print and their monogram print in canvas, but this one is all leather, and this one is their new collection. It has been quite some time that it is in the market now, and actually I bought it suddenly. I had no plans to buy this. I went to the Louis Vuitton store in Bloor Street, Toronto, and I was just browsing. Suddenly this caught my eyes. When I was talking about this with the sales associate, they mentioned that this was the last piece they had. Actually, I don't know, all these luxury boutiques, wherever I go, they say this is their last piece. Probably yes, they don't have usually in stock, especially the most wanted items. Always there is the last piece, so I could not resist myself from getting this. And yeah, I also have this box. It came in this cute little box right here, which is very nice. It opens like that. You can slide and open, and then you have a little pouch inside. I love this as well. This looks so cute and so small. So it's just a cute little bag actually, and you can make any use of it. You can put your card holder inside if you want to save it, or otherwise you can use it for any other purpose. You can also use this box as a jewelry box. I really like it, even though I am not using it for any purpose right now, but I love keeping all my luxury item boxes and pouches, because I think in this way we can protect our product. Anyways, this key pouch I have been using every single day ever since I bought it, and it has been almost a year now that I got it. I've been using it every single day, and still it looks as it is, just perfect, new. The hardware looks as gorgeous as it was when I just bought, and there is a little, you can see there is a little LV sign there. The gold hardware is like very yellow gold. Absolutely love it. You can see it's written LV just right there. Written Louis Vuitton everywhere. Really love it, and it can actually hold quite a lot of cards and also some coins. So I have a lot of coins inside. So I have coins inside, and also I have, how many cards? Let me count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards. So I actually have total 9 cards right here, which easily fits along with my coins inside this little pouch, and that's not a problem. So you can pretty much 9 to 10 cards you can put inside. Also my gym key. So I have everything inside. So even though it looks small, but I can tell you, you can hold actually about 9 to 10 cards inside with your coins. So this is pretty good. I don't think we need more. At least for me, it's good enough. I just carry it everywhere. I love just having it on my hand, in my bag, wherever. I love this print, and I feel like this particular print looks very nice for this smaller leather goods. For bigger bags, I am not really sure. This contrast looks better in my eyes when it comes for comes in a small leather goods. So I really adore this so much. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a different kind of key pouch, a little bit gorgeous, at the same time a newer option. You can go ahead for this. This is obviously more pricier than their older options, but as it is all leather, I think it's just worth it, and their prices are increasing all the time. So if you really love it, it's a good time to have your hands on this little thing. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. I highly recommend this product, and that is all I wanted to share with you guys. I'm very happy with my purchase, and I think it makes a great gift as well. So if you want to buy some luxurious item for your loved ones in this holiday season, you can think about it. It makes a really nice, cute gift. Okay, so that is all for today. This was a very little review for you, and I hope you really enjoyed it. It was useful for you. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay connected with me through my Instagram, which is sparklingbeautybee. So I finished this video here today, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.